Your drill already does 6 other jobs. You're just missing these 6 pieces that unlocks it.
The screw chain adapter. This one's wild. It loads 50 screws onto a chain like a belt of ammo and auto-feeds them one at a time as you drive. No reaching into your pocket, no dropping screws, no fumbling. It's specifically built for repetitive jobs. Drywalls, ceiling panels, partition walls, anywhere you're driving the same screw 50 times in a row. If you're hanging one shelf, this is overkill. If you're framing out a room, this is the attachment that saves your wrist. The Merska sheet metal shear. This one swaps the chuck out for a shearing head with a 360-degree pivot, so you can cut curves, not just straight lines. Something tin snips genuinely can't do as cleanly. Quick honesty check. There are at least 5 nearly identical metal shear attachments on the market right now, all using the same description, same claims, same photos with different brand stickers. That doesn't mean it's bad. It usually means there's one factory making all of them. But don't pay a premium thinking this one's unique tech. Price compare before you buy. A drill stand. This converts your handheld drill into something closer to a benchtop drill press, locks the angle, holds the depth, and removes the human error that makes your holes drift off vertical. This is genuinely useful if you're drilling the same hole pattern over and over. Shelf pins, dowel joints, anything that needs to match. But go in with realistic expectations. Budget versions like this wobble more than an actual drill press, and one buyer reviewing a similar stand online described the fit as loose enough that the drill rattled in the holder. Cheap insurance against crooked holes, not a drill press replacement. And this is the one with an actual track record. Milescraft is a real US tool brand, not a no-name dropship listing. The 1314 drill pump turns your drill into a self-priming water pump. Chuck it in, attach a garden hose, and it'll move up to 750 gallons an hour, draining a flooded basement, a kiddie pool, a fish tank, whatever. The HonPure Universal Socket. It's got nearly 16,000 5-star reviews on Amazon for a reason. This isn't a gimmick. The spring-loaded pins inside self-adjust to grip almost any shape. Hex, square, rounded, even stripped bolt heads that a normal socket would just spin. It works with a power drill adapter or a manual ratchet, covers 7 to 19 millimeters, and chrome vanadium steel means it's not going to snap on you. A drill guide bracket. Locks your drill at a set angle, usually adjustable from 0 to 45 degrees, so you can drill consistent angled holes without eyeballing it every time. Full transparency on this category. Quality swings hard depending on which seller you land on. Some buyers report a snug, accurate fit. Others have described the same style of bracket as so loose the drill wobbles right in the holder. If you order one of these, check the return window before you commit. This is a category where the listing photos all look identical, but the actual tolerances don't. The Canalo Reciprocating Saw Adapter. It clamps into your drill chuck and converts the drill spin into a back-and-forth sawing motion, basically turning your cordless drill into a mini Sawzall. It comes with 6 blades across 3 sizes, rated for wood, thin metal, and even meat cutting if you're into that. Here's the catch nobody puts in the title. This only works well if your drill is fast enough. The manufacturer's own listing says you need around 2,800 RPM for it to actually cut. A basic 500 to 1,000 RPM cordless drill will barely move the blade. So if you've got a cheap drill, this attachment is dead weight. Verdict? Legit concept, but check your drill's RPM before you buy it, or you're buying a paperweight.